Is your Mercedes-Benz key fob from 1998 to 2010 not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. Key fobs from this era use a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, usually a CR2032 or CR2025. First, identify the correct battery for your model by checking your owner's manual. Then, locate the small notch or screw on the edge of the fob. Use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully open the case. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches or electrical damage. Once open, note the battery's polarity, plus side up, before removing the old battery. Properly dispose of the old battery to avoid environmental harm. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity and snap the case shut. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to resync it. Try cycling the ignition or consult your owner's manual for specific resync instructions. Corrosion on the battery contacts, worn-out buttons, or internal circuit failure can also cause issues. Clean the contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Consider applying dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. If all else fails, a diagnostic tool may be required to diagnose further issues. Remember to work in a dry area to avoid damaging the electronics with static electricity. Upgrading to aftermarket enhancements, such as smartphone app controls, are an option.